Hello, I'm Sarvesh Rao. I'm the CEO and founder of Marma Security. Thank you very much for being a customer of Marma Security. In this video, we're going to unbox the SafeBiz Firewall and do the installation just to have an idea of how to set this up in your office. Okay, so here we have a SafeBiz Firewall, just like the one you have with you. And here I have a Comcast business connection. You may have Comcast or you may have some other ISP. It really doesn't matter. We're just going to do this installation with my Comcast business connection. All right. Okay, so let's go ahead and unbox the Marma Firewall. All right. So here we go. So we have the Marma Firewall unit, and inside this box, let's remove the separator. See, we have a power cable. So that's item number 2. Let's put that aside. And we have an Ethernet cable. So that's item number 3. And I see that we have a user manual in case you need to check something during installation or later on. Okay, so let's put away the box and install the Marma Firewall. There we go. Okay, first things first, we're just going to power on the Marma Firewall. Okay, so we go ahead and do that. Now at the bottom of the Marma Firewall, you have the power connection. So go ahead and connect the power cable and turn on the Marma Firewall. So here we go. You can see that the LED has lit up. So the device is turning on and booting up. And step number 2, we're going to connect the Ethernet cable to the ISP modem. So on your ISP modem, look for an open port. That's a LAN port. And in my case, I have my Comcast modem here. So I see a port that is open. So I connected it to an open LAN port. All right. And the other end of the Ethernet cable, you would want to connect it to the last port at the bottom. So you have 5 yellow color ports. The last one at the bottom, it's called the WAN port, and it's 2.5 Gbps. You connect this Ethernet cable to the WAN port. Okay. There you go. That's step number 2. Step number 1, connect the power cable. Step number 2 is connect the Ethernet cable to the WAN port on the Marma device and to an open LAN port on your internet modem. There you go. That's all that you have to do. And now you can see that the Marma device is powered up and it's booting up. So all you have to do is let it do the boot up process. It'll go through a power cycling and the lights on the LED will change, and all you have to do is wait for the light to turn green. In this case, you can see that the Marma Firewall is already green, which means the installation is successfully completed and your firewall is up. Okay, so that's all we have to do. And in case your ISP router does not have any open LAN ports, you would need a switch so that you have one additional port to which you can connect the Marma Firewall. This is a video in which we're just going to talk about this, but in case you have a network, you have some network switches, or you have a mesh Wi-Fi in your office and you'd like to connect it to the SafeBiz Firewall, we'll look at it in the next video. Thank you very much.